some special places for you to visit. Want to know how? Follow me for more free online money cash secrets. Hey, wait, listen. What are you waiting for to start making money online? If you want financial freedom, keep watching. If you want geographic freedom, keep listening. If you want time freedom, take my advice and do what I am about to teach you today. My name is Des, your online money-making specialist. I invite you personally to subscribe, relax, learn, and earn with DWBRC TV. Ready to travel to anywhere in the world you want to visit? Follow along with the DWBRC money-making secrets and share this video with all your contacts. Learn for free how to earn cash online. Do it today and start earning hundreds and thousands of dollars daily. So now, sit back, relax, subscribe, share, and listen carefully.
New York Minute, folks, we're talking about making money online. First up, freelancing. Got skills, writing, graphic design, coding? Marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr are just waiting for your talent. Second, online surveys. Companies like Swagbucks pay for your opinion. Third, affiliate marketing. Promote products, get a commission. Amazon, ClickBank, they're all in the game.
Follow, subscribe, and share to watch the next online money-making video.